Want to get to know your Mini a little better? The Digital Owner's Manual is built right into your Mini. Think of it as your built-in buddy, ready at a moment's notice wherever the road takes you. No glove box clutter here. Your Mini keeps things tidy and sustainable with a fully digital experience that lives on the screen and is always up to date. Looking for something specific? Pop a keyword into the search, like tire pressure or digital key. Or tap the image-based categories to explore by topic and let your Mini find it for you. It's lightning fast and super intuitive, designed to feel easy from the very first tap. Found something helpful? Bookmark it with a quick tap and save it for next time. From road trip prep to daily drive how-tos, the Digital Owner's Manual helps you get the most out of your Mini, one smart feature at a time. Want to learn even more? Check out our full Mini how-to video series for tips, tricks, and Mini moments made easy.